If you think particle distance in Marvelous Designer or CLO 3D only makes your garment denser, then, well, you're right. But there is a bit more to it than that. Let's understand particle distance properly. Before going to understand what particle distance is, you need to visualize fabric in Marvelous Designer as geometry. So whenever you create any fabric, for this demonstration, I will use this simple rectangle pattern piece. Now, when you select wireframe, you can see the polygons of the fabric. Well, in simple terms, particle distance is simply the distance between each vertex, or you can call them points. For example, now this pattern piece is set to 20 mm of particle distance. This means the exact distance between all vertex or points is roughly around 20 mm apart from each other, which basically means there are fewer vertices or points. In simple logic, when you decrease the distance between those points, there will be more points, and thus fabric or geometry gets denser. And the opposite, when you increase the distance increases and there are fewer points, which basically means less dense geometry. And remember guys, particle distance is the most important thing inside Marvelous Designer or CLO 3D. And you might want to make particle distance your best friend in your CLO 3D or Marvelous Designer journey. Just give it a friend request. And there is one very easy technique to understand this logic. Decreasing particle distance equals denser polygon, and increasing it equals less polygon. That's really how I understand things in my small brain. When you open Marvelous Designer or CLO 3D, the default particle distance value is set to 20 mm. To be honest, there is nothing wrong with it. But for me, it feels way too low poly, and that's the reason I always set the particle distance to 10 mm as default. By the way, you can do that inside Settings, Preferences, 2D, Default Particle Distance. Set any value to your liking. Now that you understand what particle distance is, let's know a few performance tips about it. Your Marvelous Designer or CLO 3D performance is directly bound to particle distance and the size of the fabric. For example, here's a small fabric and it's set to 2 mm of particle distance. This small fabric will not ruin your performance, even if it's set to lower particle distance, because your particle distance is directly tied to the size of the fabric. On the other hand, if you have a really big piece of fabric, it's always better to set the particle distance to more than 20 mm while working, otherwise your PC might cry. And that's really the reason I always cut big chunks of fabric into smaller pieces so I can decrease particle distance where I really need. And that's how not only you get details but also get performance. And yeah, that's the overall definition of particle distance. I hope you learned something from it. And if you did, smash the like button. And also, if you're interested in making a cool but easy design just from a rectangle pattern, click this video. And thank you for watching this video. And special thanks to all my members. You guys are awesome.